In this video, we will go over how to add members to an experience project. This video is intended for the Talent Stacker Experience Manager. Starting from your home screen, you will go to your Experiences tab on your navigation bar that's at the top. This will open your list of existing experiences. If you need to create a new one, you can do so here with this new button. I'm going to do that for today's purposes. There are two record types that you can create for the experience project. One would be internal, which would be where Talent Stacker is benefiting from the volunteer work done. The other is external, where an external company is benefiting from the volunteer work done by Talent Stacker members. For today's purposes, we will stick to the internal record type. So we'll click Next. Once on the new experience record, we'll need to input any information that may be pertinent to the experience project, like the start date, the experience project status, which currently is not assigned because there's nobody assigned to the project, the type. In this case, it is the administrator type because that is the only kind that Talent Stacker currently offers. The account, which will be Talent Stacker because Talent Stacker is the organization that is benefiting from the volunteer work. So select that and we will click Save. On this new experience project record, you'll notice that the experience name has been automatically created. You'll also notice that the number of members is currently 0 on the experience project. We'll go ahead and take care of that right now. To add a project member, you'll go to the bottom of the record page to the project members related list. On the right hand side, there is a new button where you'll be able to add a new project member. So go ahead and click on that new button. And on this new project member record, there is only one piece of information that we need to input, and that would be the member's name. So you can search for that if you would like, or you can select it from the list if you see it there. Once you've done that, you can click Save. We have now added a member to the experience project. Another way that you can add a member to an experience project will be from the contact record itself. So from your home screen, again, go to your Contacts tab. Here you will be able to select the contact that you'd like to add to an experience. You may need to search for them. In this case, I will just select one. Once on the contact record, on the right-hand side near the bottom, you'll see the project members related list, similar to the previous way that we added a member. You'll click the drop-down arrow on that related list and then New. Here on the new project member record, instead of adding the member, we will need to add the experience project. So that's what you will search for. Again, if you see it on the list, you can go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, you may need to search for it or even create the experience. So we'll select that experience and click Save. Here on the member record, you will now see the experience project the member is assigned to. And if we open that experience, you'll see there are now 2 project members added to this experience project, which we did over the course of this video. Let's review some concepts we learned in this video. First, to add a project member, an experience project must already exist. Secondly, there are 2 experience types, again, internal and external. And lastly, there are 2 ways to add a project member to an experience project. The first being through the experience object itself. The second being through the contact object through the member record.